Hello class 10. In the last computer class, we discussed the theory question answer of chapter 2 library classes. In today's class, we are going to start question number 7 on solve programs on character manipulations. Okay. Some programs based on character manipulation, character functions or characters. Question number 1 is write a program in Java to input a character and find and display the next 10th character in the ASCII table. Like suppose if you input capital A, then it will print B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K will be printed. If you input capital B or small b, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L will be printed. Letter L will be printed. Okay, so we have to input a character and find and display the next 10 characters in the ASCII table. See, import java.util.scanner to import the scanner methods. Class name public class 10th character. Main method public static void main. Scanner object scanner in equal to new scanner system.in. System or println enter a character. Char ch equal to in dot next dot caret 0. So this function inputs a character. Okay, this is a scanner method to input a character. Now char next 10th ch, next 10th ch means next 10th character is ch plus 10. What will happen? It will take the implicit typecasting and in the ASCII code of ch 10 will be added. In the ASCII code of ch 10 will be added. So that will be the next 10th character and that will be converted into character. It will be converted into what? Character, and system out println next 10th character is next 10 ch. Alright, once again input a character. See this line char ch plus 10. This will be in the ASCII value of ch 10th will be added, so that will be a 10th character and it is converted into character type and stored in next 10th ch. Now let us see this program in BlueJ. 10th character. See, public class 10th character, system out println enter a character, char ch equal to in dot next dot caret 0, char next 10 ch equal to char ch plus 10, and system out println next 10 character. Compile. No syntax error. Input suppose capital A. What is 10th character? Capital K. Once again input. Suppose small m. What is 10th character? Small w. So it is printing the 10th character. Alright. Now next programming question is question number 2. Write a Java program to input a character and display next 5 characters. So if you input A, B, C, D, E and F will be printed. If you input C, then D, E, F, G, H will be printed. So it will print the next 5 characters. Okay, so import java.util.scanner, public class next 5 character, main method, public static void main, scanner in equal to new scanner system.in, system out println enter a character, char ch equal to in dot next dot caret 0. So this will input the single character. Now see, for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. So this loop will run for how many times? This loop will run for 5 times. This loop will run for how many times? This loop will run for the 5 times. And system out print plus plus c. So suppose we have input capital A. The plus plus c is a prefix, so it will print B. If you input B, it will print C. So the loop will run for 5 times and it will print the 5 next characters, whatever we have entered. Whatever we have entered, after that it will print next 5 characters. Okay. Now this program also, let us see the output. Program is already typed, public class next 5 character, scanner in equal to new scanner, system out println enter a character, char ch equal to in dot next dot caret 0. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, and system out println plus plus ch. Compile. No syntax error. Now input a character, input a letter, suppose capital A. So it is printing B, C, D, E, F. Next 5 characters B, C, D, E printed. Now input some other letter, suppose a small b. It is printing C, D, E, F, G. Suppose capital L. M, N, O, P, Q printed. Suppose input small r. Output is S, T, U, V, W. Understood? So it is printing next 5 characters of the after the input string. Next question is, write a program in Java to generate all the alternate letters in the range of letters from capital A to capital Z. That means it will print all the letters from A to Z, but what letters? Alternate letters. That means after A, C, after C, E, after E, G, like this till Z. So public class alternate letters, public static void main string args function. For char ch equal to capital A and ch less than equal to capital Z and ch plus equal to 2. So see, this loop will run from A till Z. Data type is char, so it will handle the character value A to Z. So first time value of ch is A. That is A is less than equal to Z. Yes, according to ASCII value, according to ASCII code, the ASCII code of A is smaller than ASCII code of Z. So system out println ch, A is printed. The next is ch plus equal to 2. After A plus 2 will be C. The C is less than equal to Z. Yes, the C is printed. And after C plus 2 will be E. The E is printed till Z. Okay. Let us see the output. Open BlueJ. Open BlueJ. Program is already typed. Alternate letters. Alternate letters. See, for char ch equal to A, ch less than equal to Z, ch plus equal to 2. And system out println ch. Compile. No syntax error. Okay. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. This is the output. A, C, E, G, I, K, M, O, Q, S, U, W, Y. You see, all the alternate letters from A to Y are printed. According to question, all the alternate letters from A to Y are printed. Okay. Now next question, question number 4 is, write a program to input a set of 20 letters. To input a set of 20 letters, convert each letter into uppercase. Convert each letter into what case? Uppercase. And find and display the number of vowels and number of consonants present in the set of given letters. So see, import Java util.scanner. Public class number of vowels, cons means consonant. Number of vowels and number of consonants. Okay. Public static void main string args. Scanner in equal to new scanner. Int I index variable, nv number of vowels equal to 0, nc number of consonants equal to 0. Char ch to input 1 by 1 character. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to 20, I plus plus. Ch equal to in dot next method dot caret 0. Ch equal to character dot to uppercase. So whatever letters we have input, that is converted into uppercase. Now if ch equal to A or ch equal to E or ch equal to I or ch equal to O or ch equal to U, then nv equal to nv plus 1. Number of vowels equal to number of vowels plus 1. And if the condition is false, that means the entered letter is not A, E, I, O, U, then else part will execute and it will find number of consonant equal to number of consonant plus 1. Again go for the next try. Next try will be 1. it will input the second character, second letter. Letter is converted into uppercase. Again checks that if that letter is equal to A or equal to E or equal to I or equal to O or equal to U, then NV, number of vowels, equal to NV plus 1. And if it is not A, E, I, O, U, then it is consonant, else NC equal to NC plus 1. And this loop will execute for how many times? 20 times, and we have to input how many letter? 20 letters. Okay. After completing 20 times, it comes out of the loop when the I value is 21 and prints the number of vowels and print the number of consonant. Now let us see the output of this program. Open BlueJ. Number of vowels. Program is already typed. Let's compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Enter. Now input a letter. Suppose A, S, D, F, G, H, I, O, U, E, G, J, K, M, B, V, C, X, Z, L. See, number of vowels equal to 5. See, A1, A, I2, O3, U4, E5. So how many vowels are there? Number of vowels equal to 5 and number of consonants equal to 50. So it was today's last programming question. Write all the programs in your copy with the questions and practice. Thank you.